Hi guys, so today we're gonna be doing data migration or transferring of files from an old Mac to new Mac, which is the M1 2020. So here on my left side is my old Mac 2017 Intel, and on the right side is the new M1 2020 MacBook Pro. Just go to Finder, Applications, Utilities, and Migration Assistant. So from the old Mac, we're going to choose Migration Assistant to another Mac. Continue. Okay, for the new Mac, we're going to choose this one, the first one. Okay, so the new Mac is now waiting transfer information. Then we're going to select continue. So they should have the same code, 513961, 513961. Select continue. Select the information to transfer. Continue. Now you have to set the password for this. Okay, so from the old Mac, it's now transferring information, and on the right side already receiving data or data. My old Mac has SSD 128 only, while the new one has SSD 500. So I just need to get the editing software and the Microsoft Office with this one. Okay, as you can see now, it says about 30 minutes remaining, and as of this time there's already transferred 600 plus files with the new Mac. Okay, so from the old Mac it says migration complete, and from the new one it has to restart. Okay, here we'll check with done, and the other one is now restarting. Okay guys, so now all the data have been transferred already. Just have to log in just to check data or files are already here, my editing software and the Microsoft Office. Okay, migration complete. Okay guys, so it has been transferred already. My editing software, which is the Final Cut Pro, is here, and MS Office, so it's good to go. So that is the simplest way I know, guys, how to transfer data or data from your old Mac to new Mac M1 2020. Thank you guys for watching.